Hi, my name is Kayleigh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install our Add a Subwoofer harness package in your 2022 and up JBL equipped Toyota Tundra. The JBL amp is underneath your driver's seat, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Torx bit and remove all 4 bolts and lean my seat back. Before making any connections to your Toyota Tundra, be sure to disconnect the battery by removing the negative battery terminal. Now, for the purpose of the video, we removed the seat completely. You don't have to do that, just remove the bolts and lean it back. First, I'm going to go ahead and remove the cover on my factory JBL amp. I'm just going to take a panel removal tool. Next, I'm going to go ahead and remove the 3 bolts on my amplifier. There's 1 in the back and 2 in the front. Now, we have already pre-made our connections to our LC2I. In another video, I will show you how to make all of those connections. But first, we're just going to go ahead and connect our harness to our factory amp and wiring. In the description below, there is a link to a detailed installation diagram that will show you how to make all the connections using our TXD1001 subwoofer amplifier. This Add a Subwoofer harness system will work with most aftermarket amplifiers. First, I'm going to go ahead and remove my 30-pin harness. In order to do that, you want to push this tab down and pull out on the clip at the same time. Next, I'm going to go ahead and remove my 24-pin harness. That harness is all the way to the right. I want to make sure I leave the harness in the middle alone. Now, to remove my 24-pin harness, I want to push down on this tab right here and pull the harness out. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and hide my LC2I. I'm just going to move my factory amp for a second. Then I'm going to unvelcro my carpet. Now, we removed some of our padding, but you can make it fit however you'd like. I've also already run my bass knob, blue remote wire, and RCA cable. I'm gonna go ahead and make those connections real quick. Now, we have a detailed diagram providing all of these connections, but I'm gonna go ahead and connect my blue remote wire right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect my bass knob, and last, my RCAs on my bass output. Now, when I connect my RCAs, I usually do my red for right and white for left. Now I'm going to go ahead and tuck it under my carpet. And I'm going to go ahead and flip my JBL amp back over and make my connections. Okay, so now I'm going to connect my factory 30 pin into my new female 30 pin. You might have to add a little bit of pressure to get them to pop in. Okay, now same thing for my 24 pin. I'm going to take my factory 24 pin and plug it into my new female. And then I'm going to take my new 30 pin and plug it into my amp. Make sure that snaps into place. And then same thing with my new 24 pin. Now, if you are using our line of TXD amps, we normally mount our bass knobs in one of our blanks. If you're using the audio control bass knob, this one's a little bit bigger. You'll probably end up mounting it under here or right here. As stated earlier in the video, this Add a Subwoofer integration system works with just about any brand amplifier. The plug-and-play Add a Subwoofer system provides a 12-volt remote turn-on along with left and right output low-level signal. Please note, in this case, you must plug both the left and right RCA cables into your subwoofer amplifier. The LC2i is performing some basic channel summing that is required to reproduce the lower frequencies. This setup provides a post-amp audio signal. Please check out our pre-amp Add a Subwoofer integration system. It will provide the best sound quality possible from your stock JBL audio system. Make sure you check out our other videos where I show you how to install our dual or single subwoofer enclosure for your 2022 and up Tundra. We also have a video that explains how to tune your amplifier.